Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom header and footer in WordPress. Whether you're building a website from scratch or giving your current site a fresh look, customizing your header and footer can significantly enhance your site's overall aesthetic and usability. So, let's dive into the process step by step. First, we need to get into the WordPress dashboard. After logging into your WordPress account, you will land on the dashboard. From here, look over at the left-hand side menu and hover over Appearance. In the drop-down that appears, click on Themes to double-check which theme you're using. The theme can significantly impact how you edit your header and footer, so it's useful to know this before making changes. Now, let's move on to customizing the header. Still within the Appearance section, click on Customize. This will bring you to the WordPress Customizer. The WordPress Customizer allows you to make live changes to your theme. In the Customizer, find and click on the Header tab. The layout here might differ slightly, depending on your theme, but generally, you will be able to adjust the site title, logo, and header image. You can upload a custom logo or adjust the title text to better fit your brand. Always remember to save your changes by clicking on the Publish button at the top before exiting the customizer. For more advanced header customization, you might consider adding some custom code. It's a good idea to have a backup of your site before making these changes, just to be safe. Navigate back to the WordPress dashboard. This time, hover over Appearance again, but click on Editor instead of Customize. Here, you can add custom CSS or HTML to further tweak your header to your liking. However, if you're unfamiliar with coding, it may be beneficial to consult a developer to prevent unwanted errors. Let's transition to the footer now. Like with the header, you'll find the footer options in the WordPress Customizer under the Footer section. Depending on your theme, you might see options to add widgets or change the text. Custom widgets can be a great way to include additional information like contact details or social media icons. Take a moment to explore these options and see how they affect the footer in the live preview. For those looking to do more detailed adjustments, you can again use the editor to add custom code to your footer. Adding elements like tracking codes or specific scripts here is also a possibility. Finally, review both your header and footer to ensure everything looks cohesive and professional. Check your site on different devices if possible to confirm that your changes look great across all screen sizes. And always remember to click Save or Publish for each adjustment to ensure all your hard work isn't lost. And there you have it. We've successfully customized both the header and footer of a WordPress site. With these changes, your site should have a more personalized and polished look, meeting both yours and your audience's expectations. Thank you for watching, and I hope you feel more empowered now in customizing your WordPress website.